Severe thunderstorm warning. Sorry, guys. I'm wait. What the hell?
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Colorado Springs, Monument, Air Force Academy, Manitou Springs, Palmer Lake, Black Forest, Falcon,
Bruh, no way.
Glen Eagle, Peterson Air Force Base, Cimarron Hills, Security, Whitefield, and Fort Carson. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for East Central Colorado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Holy crap. I'm shaking.
Significant weather advisory for northwestern El Paso County until 1:30 p.m. At 1:04 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over western Colorado Springs, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Penny-size hail and wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles an hour will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Colorado Springs, Monument, Air Force Academy, Manitou Springs, Black Forest.
That's me, Black Forest.